kill. One mix-up can do it all. Speed kicks. Oh. Oh, he wins! He got him. And
I make a mint chamomile mix.
We mixing stuff.
3, 2, 1.
Zaku, what sniper? Let's go. 8, 9 runners, so this is gonna be a pretty quick build. The Zaku one though, so tubing, I guess, for the gun. Man, that was a short unboxing. I really don't give a shit. Alright, cut. Man, this thing is gonna take me like an hour to build. Make sure you get the rifle. That humdinger McDonald's bag.
There was nothing cool about what we just did.
I don't even need the instructions for this. I've done a million of these. Clod hoppers, you know where those go.
Some people haven't done these though, so
I don't care about them. Fuck them.
don't judge.
Fuck them. You haven't done a Zaku in 2017. You need to fucking... Yeah, it's too hot in that room. I really don't pay attention too much to what shit's molded in because I paint anyway. It's only like 3 fucking colors though anyway. I don't know yet. Sandy brown and a tiger stripe camera.
I don't know what's funny about that.
He's like on the building and he's like, I'm about to get that ass. He's literally aiming right at his ass. Got that ass. Got that ass in my sights. He's actually just like that close to him. Got that ass. You didn't hear me up here on this building. Sniping. Smiling real big over there. I'm pulling a stunt here. So I thought it was just gonna be like a poly cap in the inside of the foot. No, it's just, I don't know what that is. These are the bottom of the feet, top of the feet. Right here. 5. Am I subtweeting you? I'm not. I'm right here. You have my phone. I'm gonna tweet. Where's the polycap? Am I losing my shit right now? I am losing my shit. Man, I'm not very good at this Gunpla shit. I gotta edit that out. Go ahead, talk shit about the going around judging people all willy-nilly. Tweet first. Ask questions later.
I'm gonna put
Shit in it. The joint in it. I know what I'm doing. Expert Gunpla builder in the house. Gunpla Daily. Hit me up for all your
daily Gunpla needs.
Yeah, the upload schedule is more like Gunpla monthly.
Quarterly. Everybody agreed with me because my opinions are correct.
2 feet. Legs. How should we end it? How do we go out? Never mind. I need one of those fucking screw organizers. Whoop, whoop.